Good morning. Welcome to MIDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video to your classmates. Today I am going to solve the next question of this lesson, but first let me solve the question that I gave you for practice. Okay? First question of practice. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of AP 8, 3, minus 2, etc. Etc. Now solution. Solution 1. Given A is equal to 8, D is equal to 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5, N is equal to 22. Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into minus 5. 2, we divided 22 by 2, then we get 11. So 11 into 8 2 are 16 plus 11 into minus 5. 11 into 16 minus 11, 5 are 55, is equal to 11 into 55, 21 is here, 21, 22 minus 1, 21, 20 into 5 to 105. Then you subtract 16 from minus 105. 16 minus 105 is equal to minus 89. So we can write is equal to 11 9 are 99, 11 88, and 2 90, and 7 97, minus 979. This is your answer. The second question. Given A is equal to 7, A3 is 35, find D and S 13. Okay. Second. Given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. Because A13 is equal to 35, therefore A plus 12D is equal to 35. Implies 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. Implies 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. Implies 12D is equal to 20. 35 minus 7 is equal to 28. Two 6 are 12, 2 14 are 28, again 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14. Implies D is equal to 7 by 3. Now because S13 is equal to n, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into D is equal to 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 is equal to 13 by 2 into 2, 7 are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3, 3, 4 are 12 is equal to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 7, 4 are 28. 13 by 2 into 42, 2, 1 are 2, 2 are 4, 2 are 2 is called 13 into 21 is equal to 13, 1 are 13, 3 in hand 1, 13, 2 are 26 and 1, 27. Hence D is equal to 7 by 3 and S13 is equal to 273. Answer. The next question, question number 3. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. Given A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 13. Because A12 is equal to 37, therefore A plus 11D is equal to 37. Implies A is equal to 37 minus 11D is equal to 37 minus 11 into 3 is equal to 37 minus 33 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4. Now, because Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. 2 6 are 12 is equal to 6 into 4 2 are 8 plus 11 into 3 is equal to 6 into 8 plus 11 3 are 33 is equal to 6 into 8 3 11 and 3 and 41 is equal to 6 1 are 6 and 6 4 are 24. Hence A is equal to 4 and S12 is equal to 246. Answer. The next question, question number 4. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A10. Question number 4. Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. Because A3 is equal to 15, therefore A plus 2D is equal to 15. Implies 2D is equal to 15 minus A. Implies D is equal to 15 minus A by 2, equation 1. Now again S10 is equal to 125, implies 10 by 2 into 2 into A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 125. implies 5 into 2a plus 9 into d is equal to 15 minus a, so we put the value 15 minus a by 2 is equal to 125. Here we write from equation 1 5 we have to divide 125 by 5. 5 to are 10 and 25 5 are 25, implies 2a plus 9 into 15 135 minus 9a by 2 is equal to 25, implies LCM is 2. 4a plus 135 minus 9a is equal to 25, implies 135 minus 9a plus 4a is equal to minus 5a is equal to 25. 2 is go to the other side in multiply, implies 135 25 into 2 50 minus 5a is equal to 50, implies 135 minus 50 by is equal to minus 5a, go to the other side 5a, implies 85 is equal to 5a. 5 1 or 5 3 35 5 7 are 35, implies a is equal to 17. Now we have to put the value of a in equation 1. Put the value of a in equation 1. So d is equal to 15 minus 17 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 on 2 is equal to minus 1. Now because S12 is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, therefore S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into 17 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 1. 2 6 are 12, 6 17 into 2 into 17 34 plus 11 into minus 1 is equal to 6. 34 minus 11 is equal to 6 into 4 1 3 minus 1 2 is equal to 6 1 are 12. Sorry, we have to find the value of not Sn, we have to find the value of A10. A10 is equal to a plus 9d is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 17 minus 1 is equal to 8. Hence a is equal to 17 and A10 is equal to 8. Answer. So then we have to find the value of d, hence d is equal to minus 1 and A10 is equal to 8. That's all. This is your answer. Now the next question, question number 5. Given d is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find the value of a and A9. Given d is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75. Now because S9 is equal to 75, therefore a plus 8d is equal to 75, implies a plus 8 into 5 is equal to 75, implies a plus 40 is equal to 75. 8 5 are 40. Implies A is equal to 75 minus 40 implies A is equal to 35. Sorry, we have to write the wrong formula. Now, because S 9 is equal to 75, therefore 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8D is equal to 75. Implies 9 by 2 into 2A plus 8 into 5 is equal to 75. Implies 9 into 2A plus 40 is equal to 75 into 2. Now 3 are 9 and 3 2 are 6, 1 7, 3 5 are 15. Implies 2A plus 40 is equal to 50 by 3. Implies 2A is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Implies A is equal to, here LCM is 3, so 50 minus 120 divided by 2 is equal to minus 70 by 3 divided by 2. 70 divided by 2, then we get minus 35 by 3. Now this is the value of A. Again A9 is equal to A plus 8D is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into 5 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5 or 40. LCM 3 minus 35 plus 40 or 120 is equal to minus 85 by 3. Minus only 85 by 3. Hence A is equal to minus 35 by 3 and A9 is equal to 85 by 3. Answer. Now the next question, question number 6. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, 5, N and An. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Because Sn is equal to 90, therefore n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 90. Implies n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 90. Implies n into 2 are 4 plus 8 into n 18 minus 8 is equal to 90 into 2. Implies you multiply n into 18, 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 4 is equal to 90 into 2. Implies n 4 is common, then 4 to are 2n minus 1 is equal to 90 into 2. 2 are 4, 2 45 are 90. Implies n into 2n minus 1 is equal to 45. 2n into n, 2n square minus n, 45 go to the other side, minus 45 is equal to 0. Now I am factorize this. 45 into 2, 90. It means we have to divide 90 into 2 parts such that difference of both parts is minus 1. So we write 2n square, 45 into 2, 90, 10 into 9 is equal to 9. So minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Implies 2n common, n minus 5 plus 9 common, n minus 5 is equal to 0. Implies n minus 1, n minus 5 common, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 5 go to the other side, then n is equal to 5 again, or n is equal to plus 9 go to the other side, minus n, 2 is go to the 2 is in multiply, so go to the other side and divide. So minus 9 by 2. The value of n is negative, is not possible. Okay, so this is not possible. Therefore n is equal to 5. Now we have to find also an, because n is equal to a plus n minus 1 in d. Therefore a5 is equal to a, so a is 2 plus 5 minus 1 into d is 8 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8 is equal to 2 plus 8 for 32 is equal to 34. Hence n is equal to 5 and a5, that is an, is equal to 34. Now I am giving a question for practice. Question is, if the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. That's all. Thank you. Good night.